This video is going to show you how to install the HHGA software on your Zeus or Zeus Plus to work with your HHGA-NOx meter. So I'm going to install this jump stick under the left hand grip of the Zeus. Then I'm going to zoom in so you can see what's going on screen here. Before you install this file, you're going to have to unzip it. So to do this on your Zeus, touch and hold the file with your finger and then say extract it. You can say, where do you want to extract it? And so you can extract it right to that disk or disk that you're installing it from. So, just be agreeable. Just keep saying yes, yes, yes until it unzips like this. And then you'll have a second folder now on this install jump drive. So open up the second folder, click the install file. If your keyboard pops up, you're going to have to close it because you have to answer yes to this screen. So you'll close the keyboard, click yes. Keyboard may or may not pop back up again, but you'll see the file installing in the background. And when this is done, you're going to have to hit any key on the keyboard. So if you do like I did and close your keyboard, you're going to have to get it back. So you can either double tap that black screen or hit the S button on the side and grab your keyboard in order to hit a key. And then that's it. You're done. So this file's installed. But now you got to go get it. So click the Windows tab on the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. Find your Snap-on Gas Bench software and drag that icon to your desktop. And then you can double-click that file and open it. So here we are on screen. If you're on the Help tab, you can see you can get help on how to install that desktop icon, how to connect the device to your tool. Hit the Connect tab, and this is really where you're going to get into using it. So click the Connect tab. If your gas bench is turned on, it will automatically connect here. So you'll see my NOx meter is popped up. I can choose what I want to do with it, either unpair or connect. If I click connect, you see it takes maybe about 15 seconds to connect to the meter. And I can see, how long before this thing has to purge, what's my battery life, right? So I can see I have a great connection to the tool, my little green button on the bottom left. And I say, all right, man, it's time to go use this thing. So here's what you're going to do next. You're going to click on that the digital button, next one over, or the graphing button. And these will allow you to see your live NO and NOx readings, either digitally or graphically. And that's it. You can run it as long as you want.